This was off of SPY. You could see right here. And I even told you, I said, hey, here it comes, right? I said, here comes the double. And then I said, there's the triple. Of course, I think I said double here, but still, moral of the story was the same. It comes up. If it cannot break and hold, in this case, high of its day, it's going to go down. Boom. It hit here. It hit here. Here's your double bottom. What is it going to do if it can't break a double bottom? It's going to bounce. And guess where it went? Boom. Right back to the high. If it cannot break a high, now we're at a triple top. Where's it going to go? Back down. Do you see how we do this over and over and over and over and over? It doesn't matter all day, every day. Same thing. Go, go, go. Boom. It hit again. But look at what it did. Here, 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 and here. So guess where I kept making all my money? Every time it would touch one of these areas, right? I would be like Jimmy waiting down in the weeds right here, and then it would get to the top, and I'd be waiting in the clouds right here. And I told you guys that all day yesterday if you were watching in the membership lounge, right? Tesla, 238.78 to the upside, 237.20 to the downside. SPY, let's see, SPY to the upside, 443.18. No. And I know this is way up here. I want it to break, guys, before we touch it. 443, 443.24. And I know it's sitting on this 42. So watch this area. Again, if it doesn't break up here, this is a major level. It touched a lot. So if I was you guys on your screen, I would actually make this gold. This is a massive level. If every time this touches and it can't break through, we already know it's going to go downhill from there. So isn't this a perfect setup all day on SPY watching this gold level, right? It's perfectly set up for you all day. And then as soon as it breaks it and it starts to make a new move, well, then it's no longer valid unless it comes back and it would become support, right, on the bottom. So it's a major level. Any major levels like this gold line, this is the bottom. These are huge levels, right? It played on it all day yesterday. It could do the same today, but you already know the more times it touches, the more it becomes a critical level. So if you look at my screen, this gold and this gold is the most important levels today. Do you see them? So again, SPY 443.24 upside, 440 below 442 to the downside. Netflix. All right, let's see. All right, Netflix. See how you can see it touching a bunch right here? So I'm going to call it here instead of all the way up here because it did it here. It did it here. So Netflix above 418.73. You guys starting to see how I'm catching those levels, by the way, right here. So here, here, here. That's about right. Right there, right? So this Netflix, again, 418.73 upside, 415.61 downside. Oh, Apple getting crushed. Market going red on us here. Let's see. Apple to the upside, 180.36. Which I believe, by the way, was a previous big level. I'd have to go back and look, but it's just that number. Or below 179. Yeah, that's right. Below 179.62. Google, I know we're about 2.5 minutes in. Google to the upside. Same thing here. I'm going to have to take the top just because it's done it here, here, here. I don't want us to get in at 97 and then this 22-cent move messes us up. So Google to the upside, 133.22. It looks like it's popping up there now. Or below 133. Or I'm sorry, below 132. Thank you.